So here we have net present value formula for $500 investment that I was talking about earlier with each payment different each year for the next 5 years. So here I have set up what I want to see in my graph with a rate of 8% and the year of starting at 0 all the way up to 5 years. Now you see here, guys, that I wrote down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We don't want to do that because let's say you want to know the net present value for the next 50 years. I'm not going to sit down and write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all the way up to 50 years. So from here I will take this cell and add it by 1. Then I will drag it down and it should give me automatically 5. So let's start with the payment. The payment we have was $500. So here we're going to write negative $500. And we're going to put $100, $150, $200, $250, and $300. Now we want to calculate the present value of each of these payments. By doing that, we use the present value formula, which you should know by now. So, the present value formula is equal to the present value discounted or divided by 1 plus whichever the rate will be over the number of periods, 0. And you will get $500. And remember, this parentheses means it's a negative number, so let's put that into red. Now let's drag this down one cell down. And we will check if this is correct. This is correct? I don't think so, guys, because we do not have anything in cell B7. So by fixing this, we would have to lock the rate because the rate is never changing. And after we fix this, we drag it down one more time. Let's see if this is correct. This is correct because see, we have a payment of $100, which will be the present value, over the same 8% rate over the period of year 1. This is correct. We are able to drag this all the way down to year 5. And let's change this back to black because this is not a negative number. So here we have, well, let's first check to see if we have this correct. It is correct. So we can move on. So right now we just calculated the present value, but this does not mean the net present value. Now we would like to figure that out. How can we find out the net present value? We can use the formula. We should go here. Net present value. We can write the rate, which is 8%. And the values we are taking. Now here the values are going to be from the year after the first year. You will be dragging year 1 to year 5, not from year 0 because you'll be getting a different amount. So let's press done. Is this correct, guys? No. What did I say net present value was at the beginning? Net present value is the series of future cash flows and their present value, which will be right here, minus the initial investment. So what we have to do is subtract from the 500. And here, the Excel function does not give you that option, so we would have to write that down manually. Plus